Okay, this section says I can analyze and describe the motion of an object based on a position versus time graph. Now at this point, you've seen lots of position versus time graphs, especially via multiple choice questions. This time, you're going to have to actually analyze and describe using words on this section of the test, a position versus time graph such as this one. Let's look at an example of what you might see. It says here, describe the motion of the object to the right in detail. A, 0 to 1 second. Well, let's take a look at this object from 0 to 1 second, which is right here. You could say that the object is moving forward 10 meters. Okay, as you can see, we move forward 10 meters right here. Okay, you can even say what the speed is at this second, which is easy. It would just be 10 meters per second at this point. Okay, now let's take a look at 1 to 2 seconds. That's right here. Okay, as you can probably tell, you're at exactly 10 meters away from the reference point, and you are 10 meters away between 1 and 2 seconds. You're actually just staying still. So you're staying still at this point. Okay, at a velocity of obviously 0 meters per second at this point. Okay, now let's take a look at 2 to 5 seconds. So that's between here and 5 seconds. Obviously, you are increasing position. You're moving forward. Okay, you're moving forward again in this case, obviously, but this time you're moving 30 meters in 3 seconds. Hopefully you can read that. So 30 meters in 3 seconds. And if you were to find the slope, you would find that it is 10 meters per second. And you can figure that out by doing rise over run. In this case, of course, it would be 30 meters over 3 seconds, which is what reduces to 10 meters per second. Okay? Now let's take a look at 5 seconds to 6 seconds. It looks like we're decreasing the speed dramatically here. Okay? So between 5 seconds and 6 seconds, you go quickly all the way back to your reference point. Okay? So in this case, you move backward you move backward 40 meters in 1 second. All right, which of course, if you were to look at the actual speed, that would be 40 meters per second. Okay, so this would be a perfect example of describing motion in detail with each segment along the graph.